Hey, Da Vinci. Hey, congratulations, you're getting your science journal. Hey, on your science journal, what we want to do is you're going to write your first name and your last name, your period, and then who your science teacher is, and then the year. So 2021, 22. So you want to do that, and then you also want to write it up on up at the top as well. So if this is in a crate, you can see the name from the top and you can grab your journal super easy peasy. So that's the plan. You can draw it, write on it, it's yours. This is all of your hard work. It does have an area for table of contents. So I'm not a stickler on that. You can decide if you want to do table of contents or not. And we will have, excuse me, you don't need to worry about the username and password for your online book. I'm going to talk about that in just a little bit, well, I'm sorry, not in a little bit, in a few days, on how you're going to access your online book. So, table of contents, kind of up to you. You can flip through, there's a couple table of contents, and then we'll start the activities. We are actually going to put a title page in for our unit, and that unit is going to have the name and then a student-generated diagram that relates to the unit and unit questions. We're going to do that probably on Monday or Tuesday is what I'm thinking. So that's that. As far as setting up your journal, I'm going to ask that you write on the right side. So here we can see activity 90. 5-4-18. So, and here's the name, Drawing of the Solar System. We've got our learning goal, and here is our answer for procedure step 6. Nice, neatly drawn. It's in its own color. And then at the bottom, we've got our analysis questions. I prefer that you leave a space, if you can, between analysis questions. It's just easier to read. The activities must be in order. So don't skip pages. I've had students that will do an activity and then they'll just turn to another page and do the next activity. You will have journal quizzes, and if the journal quiz questions are in order, that's nothing tricky. So don't jump around. Turn to the next activity. Turn to the last activity and turn the page and put in your activity there. Like I said, please skip lines. Lots of white space, make it easy to read. Whenever you're asked to tape things in, I will show you how I want them taped in. Usually I make it so that you can see both sides or that you can flip it up and get underneath it. So the white space. The white space is for thinking questions. So the thinking question or the debate for this activity was, should we save endangered species or bring back species from extinction that have gone extinct? So you can see here we've got the activity number, the date, the title of the activity, vocab, and then the analysis questions. Skipped a line between each one. Well done, and it's done on the right side. The left side I reserve for handouts, graphs, graphics, that type of thing. So again, leave the left side open to glue and put in stuff. I will again show you how to glue stuff in as we go. And yeah, let me see if there's anything else. I think whenever you are writing an analysis question answer, you need to write it in a way that you know what the question was that the initial question was. For example, if the question was, which of the following items are examples of physical characteristics, color, size, and shape doesn't tell you anything. It's not appropriate. when you read it later, you won't have any idea what the lesson was about, or will you be able to stay from the response. So color, size, and shape are examples of physical characteristics. That would be an appropriate response to that analysis question. In the back we will be gluing in other paperwork, like your multiple intelligence information. We're going to glue in your lab safety agreement. We'll be gluing in some other documents. So we'll leave the back pages open for that. Okay, all right. Have fun, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.